Welcome to the Data Analysis Simulation. Within this simulation, you will collect and analyze data in our Plant Testing Center using a student's t-test. When you first begin the simulation, you'll choose between doing an experiment by counting or measuring plant growth characteristics. Whichever you select, the next screen presents you with 4 options to test on growing your plants: fertilizer, pesticide, acid rain, and music. Choose one, then click the Apply Treatment button. Your plants will grow a bit, and then you can apply the treatment again. Repeat the treatment once more, and then click the Results button. Click on a flat of plants, and then click on a plant. Depending on the mode you selected at the beginning of the sim, you will either count the parts of the plant or measure the length or width of the stem. Record your data in the notepad to the right and click Enter. Continue to do this for the remaining plants in the flat. When done, select another flat and record the data for all the plants within the flat. Finish off the last 2 flats, and then click the Analysis button at the bottom to move to the Analysis Results screen. On the Results screen, you will see each labeled flat, the treatment amount percentage, your recorded plant data, and the average of your plant data. Each flat is automatically compared to the 0% treatment group using the t-test. If the p-value is less than 0.05, the average plant values are significantly different, but if the p-value is greater than 0.05, then the values are not statistically different. To conduct a new study testing different variables, click on the New Experiment button.